The tools we need are F19 steering damper, 13 mm open spanner, 5 mm and 6 mm hex key. Step 1. Hold the damper clamp, check its shape, make sure the larger curved side face is upward. Slide the clamp onto the end of the steering damper in the direction shown in the video, then tighten it with the hex key. Step 2. Take one of the largest screws. Use it to attach one black mounting plate to the hole on top of the damper. Use an open spanner to make sure the screw is fully tightened. Step 3. Locate these two holes on the F19. Take the other black mounting plate, align its holes with the two holes on the scooter, and secure it using the two medium-sized screws. If necessary, use the open spanner to tighten them further. Step 4. Locate these two screws near the F19 front fork. Remove them. Step 5. Take the steering damper and align the holes on top with the two screw holes you just removed. Secure them using the two smallest screws. Step 6. Take the last largest screw and insert it into the position shown in the video. Slide the white rubber ring onto the screw. Align it with the hole on the damper, and tighten it securely. Installation is now complete. Turn the handlebar left and right to make sure the steering moves smoothly.